Previously on Crafters Autonomous.
So I'm actually filming this video before Halloween. I went to Hobby Lobby. We had to get some Christmas decorations for a rental cabin up in Pigeon Forge. We did a big Hobby Lobby haul and I thought I would show you guys what we ended up getting. So then we have ornaments, because you can't have a tree without ornaments. These, they're like, I think you get 50 of them. I don't know if it says. Yes, 50 of them. I don't know if this is the same kind or not. Yeah, so both of these are 50. They're like shatterproof, which basically means they're like plastic, but they're really like good quality and they actually look like really fancy for being made out of plastic. And I just feel like I like glass ornaments, but like when you have little kids around or just, you know, they break, it's a big hassle. So these like have that like high-end glass. I mean, they don't look high-end, but like they look nice enough for being shatterproof ornaments is what I'm trying to get at. You get 50 of these, they're normally 20 bucks, but of course everything's 50% off, so you know it's $10. Which on that note, I think the real reason Hobby Lobby does their Christmas stuff, like they started off on sale, like this is $20, but it's 50% off, so you can get it for 10 versus just pricing it as 10, is because they always have that 40% coupon going. So I think it's to prevent people from coming in like every day and then getting 40% off of like the $10 price, I guess, which I would totally do if you could do that. That's just my theory on that. That probably is true. I don't know. Anyways, I'm kind of rambling. These are for the tree. I just like whack this box every time I talk about the tree. These are for the tree. Again, going with that and the burlap. I don't know that that's gonna stay, but they're shatterproof, so if they fall, we're good. These ones are extra ones, and I think these are just to go like in random places on the like railing, if we want to do them on the stair rail as well. Like the shelf. When I say the railing, I'm meaning the shelf thing that like this guy's going on. So we're gonna stick these in there. These could actually go like on the mantle, but they might melt if it's a real fireplace. I don't know. I don't think this would be a flammable hazard. A flame hazard, but maybe. I don't know. Anyways, that's kind of besides the point. Let's actually take a break from like the Hobby Lobby specific items, and I'm gonna show you Hobby Lobby items. They actually are Hobby Lobby items, but it's yarn because I'm gonna do some crochet Christmas stuff. So we're gonna do a little self promo for an upcoming video because I should wait till I'm back on camera to talk. Okay, so basically we also wanted to get like some Christmas pillows, but we had to stop the bleeding somewhere, you know, because like, do you see how much stuff is behind me? It's a little crazy, but I'm like, we need to get it all. So anyways, instead of buying new pillows that are Christmas themed, I had the idea of what if we use the pillows that we already have, like the couch pillows, and we just make like removable Christmas pillow covers for them. And what better way to do that than to crochet? So this right here is my fun little design I was playing around with, and I will hopefully, I have every intention to put together a video of this. I always feel scared because like I say like, and look for this video coming out soon, but then it's like, what if I don't post it and someone watches this video and they spend their whole life waiting for this tutorial and I never deliver? I'm gonna do a video on this Christmas tree. This is like my little design here I was just playing around with. So basically the way this is Hobby Lobby is because we bought a bunch of Hobby Lobby I Love This yarn, which this is my first time really like hard key working with it. Like not the Hobby Lobby cotton stuff, but like the I Love This yarn, Hobby Lobby, whatever. You know what I'm talking about? And I actually really like it. It's very nice and easy to work with. So here's kind of what we've got going on. This is not my pattern. I found a graph online. I don't know how much of what I just said you heard because I just maxed out my recording time. Okay, so what I was saying before the camera cut off is we got some of the Hobby Lobby I Love This yarn, and I'm doing these cute like Christmas like graphs. So this one I will link below. I found it on a blog. I cannot for the life of me remember it while I'm talking, but it'll be in the description down below. So super cute graph for the classic red Christmas truck with the Christmas tree. So I'm gonna do a set of these. Basically, I'm gonna crochet the front. I don't know how like much bigger I need it to be because we've got to measure the pillows, but basically I'll make the crochet square that size of the pillow, and then I'll get a zipper and like just a fabric back because I don't want to crochet front and back because that would take forever. And I've got like 8 of these to do. So I'm gonna also be making a video on this, hopefully, fingers crossed, on how I assemble these into pillows. Pillow covers, not pillows. This is another one. This was I was looking through Pinterest. I was inspired by one, so I sketched up a little graph of the like, I guess this is technically buffalo plaid. I don't know if buffalo plaid, it's like a big thing this year. I don't know if it's just the red stuff or if this counts as well. Anyways, it's a buffalo plaid, maybe Christmas tree. I'm gonna do a green one. I'm also gonna do a matching red one, super cute. And then I also made this little guy. Oh, it's so cute. This, whoa, and his hat keeps falling off. This will, in theory, be a blog post. I think this one's really cute. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And the trick with this one is I did a bunch of double crochet, so it went faster, but the trick is you stuff it with plastic bags. So as long as your plastic bags are white, you won't see them through the more open double crochet versus single crochet stitching. My crochet peeps, you know what I'm talking about. Hopefully this will be a blog post soon. Okay, so that's kind of that section of stuff. Now let's get into like the big stuff that's going on top of the kitchen cabinets, which involves bringing several more bags this way. Now these are the breakables, so I do have to be careful with these as I trip cables. It is really hot in here, you guys. It's still October and we've had some fall weather days, but it is not like the cold, cool, fall, seasonal, Christmassy feeling weather that I've been wanting. So I have these 4 bags. These are the things going on top of like the kitchen cabinets. And this probably is the part that ate up most of our budget because these ones are a little like on the higher end price. So with these, probably like if you aren't in a rush to get them, what I would do is either like just buy like 1 or 2 every year and like slowly build up your collection, or else I would wait until close further in the season when, you know, there's less to choose from, but they're cheaper. Another thing is if they're like broken or damaged, because we've all been in Hobby Lobby when someone's pulling from one of those big like pyramid looking things, they pull something off and the whole display light comes cascading down and everything breaks. So I think usually if like something's like broken or damaged, they usually, I think, don't quote me on this, I think they usually take something off extra if you ask them. But we wanted to do snowmen on the cabinet. So this is a glass cookie jar. It's a snowman. This was, well, it's 20 bucks, 50% off makes it 10 bucks. Actually, put it back in the bag so it doesn't break. So we saw this one and we're like, this is so cute, but we felt like it needed something in it because or else you don't really like see it because it's see-through, it's glass. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna take this and stuff it with cotton balls. All right, I'm just gonna demonstrate for now. Maybe I'll like cut this out of this video and film it a different time, but basically we're gonna take cotton balls, and these are like cotton balls from another project, and stuff it inside there because then it's gonna look like snow and you'll be able to see the inside, but like it's super cheap because it's cotton balls, and of course you can fluff them beforehand to like really stretch them far. But I think this is super cute and I'm probably getting fingerprints on him. We are not going to set him up there because if he falls, he breaks, and that bad. Then next, keeping in the snowman theme, we have this snowman, and he's just like a glass like stand-up snowman. I don't have the price tag on this one. We had to like run back and grab another one with the price. But I think this guy was like 20 bucks, so 50% off, 10 bucks. I think he's a cookie jar as well. It looks like his hat comes off, but I'm gonna leave him in the wrapping. And again, for all these ones that are going in the kitchen, we're doing stuff with hard surfaces that can just be wiped down, because if we did the cloth snowman guy, it would like absorb like the grease and oil from the kitchen. That'd be kind of gross and won't last as long. Okay, I'm gonna wait on this item because it's like my favorite. Then we have these guys, which are super cute. So first, we have this one. Again, 10 bucks. He's like this metal snowman and he has this little door on the back. I don't know how to open the door. Maybe the, dude, okay, he has a door on the back, but it's like the door is like stuck closed. No, it'll go. I'm afraid I'm gonna break this. And I'm gonna have an audience and I'll have proof. Mom will be like, you broke it. And I'll be like, but I didn't. And she'll be like, I saw you in the video, you broke it. I'm gonna try to open it anyways. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's just really tight. So basically it has a little spot in the back for a candle. Like you could do a tea light. We're probably not gonna mess with that. But it's got the cute snowman hole or snowflake holes on the front for the light to shine through. Again, just super cute. It's kind of loud. We will put him here. I'm running out of room. Then we have this big guy. This one is also super cute, and I really like this because it's like wood. And so it has a like super rustic vibe, but it's got like metal on the hat. This guy was 25 bucks, so he was actually $12.50, but he's like much bigger than those other ones, so I think it's kind of worth it. Super cute. Again, this will go on top of the kitchen cabinets in theory. And then this next one is one of my favorite items. Ooh. Okay, and this one was actually 30, which like I said, this was like the big budget bleeding part here. But I always love these, and this one's so cute and festive, and it has a little latch open. We talked about filling it either with ornaments or with some like potpourri. Again, I don't know where this one's gonna go. We talked about maybe the shelf, maybe above a kitchen cabinet. We're not quite sure yet, but what's cool about this is this works like all year round, and if we really wanted to, we could pop this part off and put something else there for like different seasons. I think what I'm gonna do though is put some of these ornaments inside of here just to like test how it looks. I feel like these might be the wrong color, so maybe I'll stick with just gold. Okay, let's start off with just 10 in here just for the sake of illustration. But look at how cute that is. And obviously I've like rearranged them better because like all the red are together and all the gold. But isn't that like adorable? I think it is anyways. You let me know if you think I'm like freaking out over nothing, but I think this is super cute and I've always wanted a little lantern thing like this. So, I'm gonna cut the tape. So at this point I've officially decided I'm splitting this into like at least 3 videos. So it's gonna be Hobby Lobby Christmas haul in 3 parts. But before we go, just in case I change my mind, I am going to show you like what we got for the wreath. So first of all, you might remember these. These are the pine cones that I bleached, and I was like, I have no idea what I'm doing with them. I'm going to use them on the wreaths. And then these are the bags of wreath stuff. And this is where the glitter goes crazy. So I'm going to pull some out to show you like what we got and just give you a feel for prices. But that is everything I got from the great Hobby Lobby Christmas haul of 2019. Like October 2019, you know, because I went like way early. But I will be posting this until sometime in November, so that way you can actually like be in the Christmas mood to enjoy it. So anyways, this is probably the end of part 2. I have really no idea how I end up editing this because I don't know what future me decides to do and I haven't watched this footage yet. But there will be part 3 in which I assemble the wreaths. Plus there will be all those crochet projects popping up either as videos or on the blog. In theory, I really do have good intentions to do those. It's just a matter of if I get them filmed or not. But this is our Hobby Lobby Christmas haul, October 2019. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed this, the friendly moose here says to give it a thumbs up. He doesn't have a thumb or else he would give it a thumbs up. So he says because he can't give this video a thumbs up, can you give it a thumbs up for him? And he also says that he can even do this, that if you look down below or like on this video, there's a big red subscribe button. If you click that and you hit the bell to turn on notifications, that would be awesome as well because then you'll get more amazing Christmas and DIY and decor content when you load up YouTube. But seriously, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to come back, and as always, happy crafting. Also, I'll admit it, I have already started listening to Christmas music like 2 weeks before Halloween.